Do you want to speak English? Learn these 10 easy daily sentences with me. I wake up early. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat after me. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Repeat after me. I go to school. I am walking. Repeat after me. I am walking. I am driving. Repeat after me. I am driving. I am talking. Repeat after me. I am talking. I clean my room. Repeat after me. I clean my room. I watch TV. Repeat after me. I watch TV. I do my homework. Repeat after me. I do my homework. I sleep at night. Repeat after me. I sleep at night. Which sentence is easy for you? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe for easy English every day.